Top-level statements allow you to write executable code directly at the root of a file, eliminating the need to wrap your code in a class or method. The compiler automatically generates a program class and an entry point method for you. Top-level statements simplify writing basic programs, making it easier for new C# programmers to start learning and coding. When you create a C# project, it will generate a program.cs file with a top-level statement. In the following example, if add were inside a class, it would be a method. In top-level statements, it is a local function.